Jack, and we are going to show the students how to log into the computer for the first time, as well as getting on Google Docs and Google Classroom and anything else that you want to use. Sometimes there are some glitches the first time, so we want to make sure that we can get rid of those and avoid those beforehand. So the first thing I did was I went ahead and printed off a sheet of the directions that we got from the technology department on how to change the passwords and log in for the first time. I literally copied and pasted it from their email. So the first thing that Jack is going to do is he's going to click Control Alt Delete, Control then Alt then Delete, and this keyboard's not working.
No, it's not. There it
Oh, there it goes. Okay. And click Other User because someone else has logged in on this computer. And for his username, and this will stay with him from his freshman year to his senior year of high school at Henry County. It's going to be 20 because that's his graduation year. His last name, typically we capitalize the last name, but it doesn't typically matter. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. Okay, Foster, and then his first name, first initial, J, and his middle initial would be Z, at henryk12.net. So if you capitalize something, it doesn't matter. And then your password, everyone's password initially is going to be the same, and that is Grove 2016, no capital letters. Now, if it tells you that something is wrong, it's not letting you log in, check to make sure that your caps lock is not on because some of the keyboards have those on and that will mess up the password. And then click this arrow button right here. And most of these computers take about 30 seconds to a minute to boot up. And we have been told that the best way for a quick login is for a student to stay at the same computer when they come in the media lab. It remembers your settings and it just makes it quicker. So if you're going to a different computer every time, you need to expect a longer wait time to log in. Go ahead and change your password from Grove 2016 because you don't want other people logging in under your name. You are going to click Control Alt Delete again. This keyboard seems to stick a little bit. Okay, and click Change a Password. So the old password is Grove 2016. Now this, you really want to make sure your caps lock is not on. And I know a lot of students will typically click the caps lock when they want to capitalize one letter. Just use the Shift key for that so you don't mess it up. So I suggest that students use their lunch numbers from last year plus their last name just as an initial password unless they have one they know they're going to remember. And always write your password down in your planner or on a sticky note and memorize it. Okay, so Jack already knows his new password. He's going to type that in and confirm the password. Okay, and then hit the arrow key. And it says your password has been changed. Okay. Now what we're going to do is I would like for Jack to set up his Google account, and you will click the Google Chrome icon. We don't use Internet Explorer on these computers anymore. And it will prompt you with a page that says sign in to Chrome. He is going to use his henryk12.net username just like he did when he logged in. And his password will now be the password that he just changed. Okay, so hit next. It will not be Grove 2016. You will accept and click Link Data. And I always it'll tell you how to navigate and you can click OK, got it. And exit out of this. If you happen to be logged in as another person, you can switch, but that typically doesn't happen when you've logged in on your account, so you can click off the screen. And right here, this little waffle, if you'll click on that for me, Jack, this will get you to your Google Drive, your Google Docs, Google Slides, any of that stuff. You'll click on the waffle. Okay, so get off of that. And if you use Google Classroom, you can type Google Classroom in up here. I'll just click on it right there. And click on the link. Some of you have already signed in with Google Classroom with another teacher if you're in computer apps, but if you haven't, like Jack, you're going to click I am a student. Do not click teacher. And you can click join your first class, and your teacher will give you a class code. You'll type that in and you will be ready to use Google Classroom.